Viv, great. Thanks for having us out today to see
you're welcome.
Beautiful new driveway and your brand new house. It looks amazing, so congratulations.
Thank you.
What was involved with the approval process here in Lindfield and with Kringai Council, and what you were hoping to achieve with the build overall by putting in the driveway?
Okay, so we've got a lovely big block of land here, and we wanted to put a nice sizable home.
Sure.
And we didn't realise that there was special allocations of hard and soft surfaces that we had to comply by. At present, the design of the house are already exceeding exactly, and that's with the conventional driveway. I didn't know much about porous driveways at all, but I knew that I had to work something out, otherwise we wouldn't have a nice big alfresco area at the back.
At the back, which is a hard surface.
Yep. And so doing some research, I found you guys, StoneSet. I saw some video clips, I said, that would be the solution. And then we went to council saying, okay, well, I found this product, surely we won't be able to get, 100% concession being so porous and permeable. Yeah. Anyway, we put our DA in, and they came back to us saying, look, we'll give you 50% concession having this driveway, which was still fine, because that allowed us then to have that extra 46 square metres we had at the back.
At the back, sure. Yep.
So
with the 40 square metres of hard
surfaces, yeah, this is 86 square metres as far as this driveway and the area around the side.
Yep.
So it just met just perfectly, so we were able to have it. So we got 50% concession.
Sure.
Should be 100, but I can't sort of say as to why, the reasoning behind that. But we've got our beautiful driveway, and we're very, very happy with it.
Yeah. What Kringai Council especially is they are very conscious of the tree health and surrounding,
of course,
landscaping, and
it's extremely important.
So we do a lot of work in Kringai Council to build porous driveways to make sure that we help homeowners get the most out of their investment in the land, and to you certainly want your house to be perfect when you go to this much effort. And today especially, it's because it's so cloudy as well. It brings out the blues a lot more.
That's right. That's right. It's very, very beautiful.
The guys on site you found?
Oh, they're amazing.
Yep.
I actually took some time lapse of them on the day, and they worked very, very efficiently, very professional, very clean. They took away all their rubbish.
Yep.
And
you mentioned the resin gets this.
Yeah, there was. Obviously this product has a lot of resin, but there was no resin stickiness anywhere. They've contained it. They applied it to the areas that needed it, and we were just so happy, and they were just lovely people.
Yes,
lovely people to deal with, and they were happy, and they were very complimentary.
It's been great to work on such a lovely project as well.
Look, we're just so thrilled. I wish everyone could have a driveway like this.
Yeah.